After a court takes cognizance of a case and hears arguments on whether charges should be framed, the judge must decide whether there is sufficient ground to proceed to trial. But what happens if the court decides not to frame charges? If the judge finds that the materials placed on record do not disclose sufficient grounds to presume that the accused committed the alleged offense, the court may discharge the accused. Discharge means that the accused is released from the case at that stage because the court finds no adequate legal basis to continue toward trial. This does not mean that the incident never occurred. It means that based on the available evidence, the court does not find enough material to justify proceeding with a criminal trial. The decision is made after examining the charge sheet, witness statements, documents, and hearing arguments from both the prosecution and the defense. If the court concludes that the evidence is weak, inconsistent, or legally insufficient, it may pass an order of discharge. Once discharged, the accused is no longer required to face trial for those charges in that proceeding. However, in certain situations, further investigation may still be ordered if the court believes that important aspects were not properly examined. It is important to understand that discharge happens before the trial begins. This stage acts as a judicial filter to prevent unnecessary trials where there is no substantial foundation for prosecution. The purpose of this safeguard is to protect individuals from being subjected to the burden of a criminal trial without sufficient evidence. At the same time, it ensures that only cases with a reasonable legal basis move forward into full trial proceedings. Understanding what happens when charges are not framed helps citizens see how courts balance fairness, evidence, and procedural justice. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.